Hi everyone, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I have a set of cards. They're going to be Christmas cards, and it says Peace on Earth on each one of them. I'm using Stamping by Unity. I'm using red rubber stamps. One set is called Heart of Christmas, and this is the October 2020 Sentiment Kit. It is a heart. It's a large heart, and it's filled with snowflakes. So for this particular set of cards, I'm using a part of that larger heart stamp on the top and on the bottom. So I'm just using partial stamping for the heart in two different places. And then once I get the look I want, I leave space in the center for the larger sentiment of the piece. And so I have Gina K Designs premium ink in white pigment. And I just use a blending brush and a foam applicator. And I just use circular motions to add a little bit of white ink blending on this colored cardstock. So I have a mint color cardstock and a blue. And this is a good way to soften any of your stamping that you might have that you want to maybe soften the look. All the stamping was done with black ink, and so I just thought, well, let's just soften it up and make it look a little wintry, a little dreamy looking. And I love this go-to, especially for winter cards. And so I have a small cube of this ink, and I'm using a circular motion with a round foam brush. I couldn't find my circle applicator, so I'm using a rectangle applicator. So it doesn't really matter as long as you keep with a circular motion and blend it outward towards the center or towards the inside. And then wherever you want it to be lighter. I just concentrated around where the snowflakes were. Then this ink stays wet longer, so you can heat set that, or you can leave it out to dry. And then I added foam tape to the back of those snowflake panels and placed them onto a pre-die cut background scalloped panel. So I stamped all the stamping first on color cardstock, and then I cut it out with a die cut oval and then added that frame. Now, the extra pieces, they are from the same sentiment kit. The smaller pieces said Peace on Earth, and I trimmed that with a paper trimmer. And then I just cut off the word peace because I'm using the larger word peace. And I use those smaller ones, just the on earth, underneath the piece. So these make great Christmas cards, and you can stamp out all of the stamping ahead of time. Make multiple cards in no time. It's very easy and with minimal coloring, just that white ink shading. So I have May Art's silver cording ribbon, and I used pieces of that to tie around two card bases and just to tie a knot. And then I used double-sided tape, flat tape, to adhere this panel down onto the card base. And then so that is real easy to do. You can do multiples at one time on that. And so for the green panel, I went ahead and did a step of using silver deco foil and a laminator to get that silver effect on the green card. On the blue card, I just used the stamping. But, for that same silver look, you can use silver embossing powder and emboss your stamping just the same. It looks similar. There you go. It's so pretty and easy to do. It's a sweet card. Both of these cards are really nice and sweet. Different ways you can decorate the cards and stamping and accents in different ways. I hope you like this. Thanks so much for watching, and please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.